Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 7th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the JigSaw Sudoku with 3 stars. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. News of the day, well, there's a big earthquake in Tibet. Yes, a big earthquake. Alright, this one, number 9856. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 60 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16, but it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Let me give this a 0 stars. It has 16 printed digits. 0 stars puzzle, I need 14 or maybe 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one, only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only 2 dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this one, insufficient information right now, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see only 1 triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given, this box can be 1, so the 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5, 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see only 2 quadra boxes. Well, these 3 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area, supposed to be here. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, insufficient information right now. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape, it's rotated. The L shape, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Not only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 or a 5 there. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we've only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Okay. Let me see. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. These 3 boxes can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then this box can be 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. Is also connected with this box, should be so 2. 1 and a 2, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left of the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. This box can be 3. That box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes at there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then this box can be a 1, so only 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5 as a pair. Okay. Then mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Yes, definitely a 1. Then. Come on. Let me go up. 3, 4. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there. See, yeah. 1 that's left should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 3 and the 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 now, so this box will be a 5. 4 or 5, we have a 5 now, so this box will be a 4. Is connected with that box will be so 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3. So 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. Fun was 2. And the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 4 or a 5, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5 then. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 3 and the 5. Oh no, not 3 and 5. 3 and the 4. It's a quarter box. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. And this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, the 5 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. We solve it again, Told you it should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.